Hey guys, Jeff with Westcott Designs. We just finished up this 2023 40th edition 4Runner, and I told you I would share some of the stuff with you. It's got our modular roof rack, so it allows you to adjust the top here. You can see that you can put it here, or you can put the bars up here. We have them set down here, and you can see we've put the basket in the top. It's got a little ridge now around the side of it. Allows things to be mounted on the top there. You could remove the front here if you wanted, leave this bar out right here, and allow for the roof to be open for the sunroof in the front. We talk about our roof rack a lot, about how we want to try to keep it to fit as tight as possible up against the top of the roof here. And we want to minimize the amount of airflow that gets up underneath there. You can see as they bend down, you can just get a little bit of light that goes kind of through there, and just a very fine gap through the front to the back. And we want to get the air to flow by the car instead of going through the roof rack. That's how we're able to increase the fuel economy over the factory roof racks on these. This is our bottle opener here. Two things we didn't get to finish is to powder coat the bottle opener to match the bronze wheels. The customer had requested that or asked us to do that, so we're going to do the bottle opener there and then the bottle opener here on the ladder. I think that'll just tie everything in together on this. So this thing came out really nice. It's got a set of our MIG welded rock sliders with our top plates on them. You can see just how nice the welds are. That's some of the things we really try to focus on, is our weld quality on our stuff. These actually were done on a robot, so you can kind of see how it stacks the dimes here. And this is our black powder coat. This is called a BK59. This is a textured finish. We primer coat these as well. And down here you can see all our grade 8 CAD plated hardware that we use, and they mount right to the frame. They use all the factory bolt holes. There's 11 hole mounting points on these sliders. They're all 120 wall DOM. I really love these bronze wheels. They look great. This is the factory bronze wheel that comes on the 40th anniversary. We have put a 285 7017 Toyota Open Country AT3 on this, and you can see just how much room we have back here. It's quite a bit of room back there for clearancing. We did remove the mud flaps, but you probably could get away with leaving them. But any kind of articulation, you probably have rubbing up here in the top. Plenty of room on the upper control arm here for the back of the tire for clearancing. And then you can see down here we have our Westcott collar down here on the bottom, our preload collar. Kind of looks factory, fits right there on the shock strut, and it's really nice. It's all billet machined aluminum, and the whole idea here is to just put a little more tension on the spring, and in return we gain a little lift in the front. We still bump out in the bump stop as designed. So just this thing came out really nice. I want to share that with you. The stripe in the front, we did the Raptor lights in the front as well. So just super clean build on this truck. Not too crazy, used all the factory stuff. I think just doing those little bottle openers in bronze though will really just kind of tie this thing all in together. So again, thanks for watching. Hope you guys enjoy this, and if you need anything, please don't hesitate to reach out to us. Again, have a great weekend. We'll talk to you soon. Bye-bye.